This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix ChatGPT app responding slowly on iPhone. So if your ChatGPT not working or working slowly, follow these quick steps to fix this issue. The first solution is check your internet connection. Open a browser and open a random website. If your website not loading properly, then open your control center. Enable airplane mode for 10 seconds and turn it back off. Also, you can switch your internet between Wi-Fi and cellular and make sure to use a strong internet connection and then check the issue. The second solution is update the ChatGPT app. To do that, go to your App Store. Search for ChatGPT. If you see any update available, then update the app and check the issue. The third solution is offload the ChatGPT app. Go to your iPhone settings, scroll down, General, iPhone storage, tap on ChatGPT, offload app. Once the app offloaded, reinstall it from here and then check the issue. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.